Wee! My love, my love, my love, my love, my love. Yo, what is up guys? This is your boy, Zeren. And today is nandito tayo para i-showcase itong hot topic, one of the 3 hot topic of the Black Fruit. So this is the Barrier. So last natin to, last showcase natin kay Barrier bago siya mag-update. And ito yung mga skill niya. As yung nakita nyo kanina, Barrier Wall. Kahit yung user hindi pwedeng tumagos dyan. Let's try. Ayan, hindi pwedeng tumagos kahit yung user. So alam ko yung bagong Barrier Wall is pwede mo makarry. And para siyang M1 yata. Hindi ko alam kung M1 or skill yata na Barrier Wall. So yun yung second skill, surprise attack. Ito yung sa, ayan, hindi siya nakakabasag ng puno. Okay, next is yung Barrier. Alright, so the Barrier Free Zone. So alam ko kailangan may target ka para makontrol mo yung target. Okay, let's try. Try natin to this one. Ayun, solid. And the last skill nga is the Barrier Tower. Yun. So yun lang for this video. Maraming salamat sa pagtambay, pa-follow sa mga hindi pa nagpa-follow. Thank you very much guys sa pagsuporta. This is your boy Zeren. Peace out, peace out.